Casting powder starter kit. All-in-one craft box. Professional bubble-free vibrator. Start DIY creative works. Wide application for home decor, office decor, gift giving, and more. How to use casting powder starter kit. Step 1. Turn on the electronic scale. Step 2. Place a 500 ml container on the electronic scale and set to 0. Add 200 grams of casting powder. Step 3. The 300 ml container was also placed on the electronic scale and zeroed, and 60 grams of water was added. Note: the ratio of casting powder to water should be 10:3. Step 4. Gradually add water to the casting powder while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Step 5. Add pigments and mix until it reaches a smooth, lump-free consistency. Step 6. Pour into the mold. Step 7. Remove air bubbles using a bubble-free device. 5 to 10 minutes. Step 8. Wait for 20 minutes. Step 9. Remove the plaster disc from the mold. Step 10. You can also do DIY creative creations. Tips of the casting powder starter kit. Tip 1. Place the container on the electronic scale and set it to 0. Tip 2. Use the electronic scale to accurately weigh the casting powder and water in a ratio of 10:3. Tip 3. Add water to the casting powder and stir continuously until it is smooth and has no lumps. Tip 4. The vibration frequency and the vibration time of the bubble-free equipment can be adjusted according to needs.